What do plants get from rain? Rain benefits plants by providing water, nutrients, and vitamins. It leads to 1. Natural irrigation. Rain supplies water to plants, essential for photosynthesis and growth. It carries minerals and nutrients from the soil. 2. Nitrogen supply. Rain supplies nitrogen, an essential element for plants, which helps produce amino acids and proteins. Bacteria in the soil fix nitrogen for plant absorption. 3. Cleansing. Rain removes pollutants from the air and fertilizers, allowing plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently. 4. Soil pH improvement. Rain's slightly acidic pH aids in soil nutrient absorption. 5. Boosting plant immunity. Rain strengthens plants against diseases and stress. 6. Various nutrients. Rain carries trace minerals from the atmosphere, such as calcium and magnesium, supporting plant growth. For bonsai enthusiasts, rain is vital because it not only hydrates plants but also provides essential nutrients that promote health and beauty. Also, rain-enhanced resistance helps prevent diseases.